So there I go.
Oh, now welcome back. This not see I the red, and you know what is in the matter. This not Tory as word.
Yes.
Yes. Tory as word.
The Tory war so you know it gets on Tory we go war, you go say this story it don't budget. Because the way this one take war, imagine man will be 60 years old when they drive joy in raping. Not just raping other because the man don't offend other people. He called the rape in own children. He rape in 2 daughters. You know, do in sister, children come visit them. 2 of them, he still rape them, joy. Moku watcher.
That man in a rapist.
60-year-old man because he raped his own daughters and his sister daughters them. Police arrest this man wey name be Tajuddin Awoniyi wey be herbalist for one Yoruba land because he raped his 2 daughters and his sister's 2 daughters. He raped 4 teenagers in the range of 14 to 16 years old. If he don't drink, he don't high, he don't dey drunk, he go rape his 2 daughters to quench him morale. And one day the sister 2 daughters to come visit his own children. Now for night around 1 a.m. Now he wake these 2 girls up. He can't give them black soap, make them rub. Sake of say him be herbalist, they respect them, they fear them. He can't tell them say make them not talk, cause if they talk, he go deal with them. They can't begin the plug eater. They do touch lighting on top these teenagers and their body. And so this man matter take rise until then grab them. When they begin they confess. Don't begin they shout say our papa, they change our destiny with this kind of touch lighting.
Why are they shake heads?
If I say me thunder fire this man, it will be like a weekend.
No go better for
May thunder have his way.
What did the man do on that? All of them they say.
You don't black soap for the guys, their body.
Now you're picking. The man, now the table there. They say the way you want to bring up your own child. That's how other people will look at them. Now the man said, these are my children. I want to train them by myself. I want them to get better for me.
well, for one, Shakara knows in a joking talk, so viewers make one know my
No. At least he don't offend anybody.
You are a useless man. You are a useless man. I put it to you.
Stop abusing the man. It's not useless.
According to the law, chapter 2, verse 8,
May the Lord
paragraph 1,
forgive
sentence
you
4.
all.
But you know what happen? I won't agree with Shakara. Viewers not be support say rape good, but
the man only offend God. You offend God. So now God never deal with them.
You know say
and you don't offend any man.
Guys,
Mokuna they look this side as the same people.
Yes.
Look that side.
Wait, Shakara. Okay, wait. Now the opposite.
Abuse.
Now the opposite of wetin happen for Bible. Now the man do so. Because for Bible, the man that they call Lot, somebody like that.
Yes, now.
He drink, in daughters that they call raper. But in this case now, the man drink, now he still open and still rape in daughters.
I bet you know the person when drink, when go say enter house, 5 black soap.
Now, doctor now. He's a native doctor. He's a professional native doctor.
Why
you understand?
Bad thing, don't tell me that happen.
Maybe now.
You are a useless man. Maybe if I see you now,
you know what
if I see you,
wait, I don't know whether now nobody man to blame. Maybe it's the gods.
Yes,
that to be blamed. Maybe now they tell him. Now the gods tell him say
the gods one of them the craze.
Maybe the gods tell him say rub black soap on your daughter's body and then may here. You understand? Then when you may here, their future will be bright. And then the man follow instruction.
But the future is bright now. They don't destroy
the destiny of those girls now.
You don't see their destiny. Whether you will destroy
even the father self hold the full destinies together.
You see when they serve gods when their head no connect.
If you see the man resemble oracle.
God wait go there like say if you no drink go if you
I don't know why in those days.
Go for a face.
In those days all those gods. Wait.
Gods where they fear AC, where they fear AC.
Shakara, those gods in those days, they behave well. They give good direction. Which kind of gods nowadays when they like better things?
Gods we done that 3 sins. Rain up. I want to think well.
The same way happened to Bobby now. All the gods ways off. But at the same time, that's a terrible thing, Mr. Man. You and your gods, you are mad. Una dey craze. Yes.
God.
You are a useless man. You are useless God.
Anyway,
Yes.
native doctor.
Shaggy.
If not be say I be Christian, if I swear that I do for you now, I will prove to you. Go.
Hello. Now this come man, now they stay area where we say we come born some area boys. When they come there, some bad area boys.
Oga, don't mind them. I no fit still what you do how it be, but if you try it with my daughter, now you go know whether what you do good or not. But for now, it's your own daughter.
I just thank God say the man dey prison now. That's the good news.
Who put out of prison?
He go dey there die.
No. That's a wrong punishment. He should be in the evil forest. Make your involved. I mean, they talk now. Which kind of move out? Why did they waste our prison space? We have space for that things. Yes, space. We need space for that things. We don't have people go prison soon.
Shaggy with the fee say the man boss area boys.
Don't waste our prison though, because our politicians will chop money.
Put it in the evil forest. Yes.
What is looking for
We want
space?
to probe some people.
If Shaggy forget he say he won't talk, so
So they be like that sometimes when you bring some area boys come inside studio.
see them.
So I don't know. They get the machine one. That's why you see area boys for
If
worry
they
now.
look us, who be area boy? See your
Wait now, make a. That's what it be. When I know best.
Yes, I go
No,
seriously.
No, I want presents.
I know say to cause Elenu easy. You know, cause fear tiny
So the
way.
problem I get, you say, to Yaba, not be saying a problem. But the rate when he hands it fast, now, not
Area boy in the studio.
That's so area boy say they disturb now with Keke Nape for Warri now. For Delta State, not be saying I worry specifically. For Delta State, they use Keke Nape till the Baptist now. Till the collectors, anyhow for area. We hear the story.
Now worry, they fear to say now worry.
Now worry, I mean.
Dem say they commit crime with keke inside Delta State. The report talk say about 200 persons don fall victim to armed robber attack inside this keke matter for Warri. The bad guys, dem go dey like two, dem go sit down for both ends of the keke. Then the keke driver go dey. Then dem go allow the innocent passenger to sit down for their middle. As the keke just dey move, dem go come wele the person. Dem go comot im money or anything wey dey im hand, come push am comot for the keke as the keke dey run speed dey go. Dem do am one day to one pregnant woman for NRA junction. Na there dem take collect this woman bag, dem think say money full the bag, dem come push the woman comot for the keke. But the thing wey pay the bad guys dem be say when dem go find out wetin dey the bag, na only 300 naira. The woman cloth and scarf plus the handset wey e don old, dem come dey so disappointed.
Almost see, matter funny. But see this one chance of the team. You know say na these people na they really act am. Cause one chance for Lagos na boss. But the word one chance supposed to be say na only one person chance.
Yes.
So this way they talk and they say the bad boys one go sit down for this end. They don't go sit down for that end. Then they'll create space for one chance.
And they made 300 naira from
At the end of the robbery.
That's a good one. That's a one because the one where some boys do for Ajangbadi, the woman, she be the porch, so she just excuse herself. The nylon food, she said the next bus stop, now she go throw away. So they call rubber, they just carry the nylon. You know the process of sharing. You know, so those boys, most of them know they be friends. They all meet for junction, say, oh boy, I mean, I don't agree, go. So to share it, don't they share in peace? Now rushing. This one shook and wah! You notice it, man. This is so. Now I come out. Make the rest, they don't know. Say, I don't collect my own one. Yeah, I'll collect your own one. They don't know. You know, say, man, F up. That's so, boy. And I don't say, chair, collect your own. You say, man, collect. Oh, yeah, guys. Everybody must put hand.
Everybody must put hand.
Worry. I fear worry. Worry now they teach generator when you walk. You go down there, you go notice say your own generator sound begin far. You go down, they go far, they go far. But before, what thing I can't notice now, people can't notice, okay, bless it because they use long wire. So they'll come cut the wire. But what thing they go do, they'll come do the wire. You go down notice your generator, you go just go, go come back. You got to say maybe, you know what I'm saying, they don't add wire. So all of a sudden, your generator will be, oh, you got to,
enter street.
I use bath cover the
At the end of the coffee
say your jet now is bus stop.
You know say
it may be probably Shakara. You call the couple and say they be the object. They can't be the object. As that noise just go.
You come go change light.
Light they don't bring. No, you go feel say they don't bring light.
but people come make ask one question. You know say these boys no be ordinary eye they do these things sometimes.
I know understand.
True. Before somebody go enter motor or enter keke or take action, you don't dirty the eyes. You know, boys they use the word dirty eye. Dirty eye means say they got
No.
or now the thing lead us to.
I know understand what you talk. If you explain now because
I won't carry.
I
don't get experience. I won't carry enter the
area now.
don't say.
No, for the viewers now, you know, they don't understand what you explain. Right? You just expatiate small so that
okay, viewers, so I try to talk be say before those guys go fear back on that journey, they no go be normal human being. They must take things so they disturb the brain, like coke, like igbo, like all those things. Now you can lead us to this matter where they say 55%. 55% of Danfo drivers don't test positive to cocaine and igbo for Lagos State.
I don't understand.
Mo hear the story.
Don't hear the story first.
No be ordinary they do these things.
Akai Agbisin. Hey! 55% of Danfo drivers don't test positive to cocaine and igbo. Lagos State Ministry of Health don yarn say about 55% of Danfo drivers dem don dey tested to cocaine, igbo and mixture of alcoholic drinks like awokpa, shekpe, dongoyaro, monkey j. When they put everything together, then they drive orishi driving on top our road. So the conduct dem carry am out for Musafejo, Mushin, Oshodi and Obalende Motor Park. Na there dem take see about 55% of Danfo drivers wey don high on top cocaine, igbo and other kind of alcoholic drinks. According to the Commissioner for Health, Dr. Jide Idris, the Motor Park Health and Safety Program na to reduce the high level of road traffic accidents. Danfo drivers. How many times we call na so? 3 times. Make una stop.
You be Danfo driver, swore. I be Danfo driver,
Shakara, Lucky Shine.
Danfo driver, swore.
Shakara, Lucky Shine. Hello, I no agree. If na Igbo that they take separate good. If now that you not be say they would lie for that, say they take okay.
Whoever bring
Which money that get it by
whoever bring that statistics they right.
Cocaine is made for politicians.
Maybe they mistake other things for. Cocaine no cheap.
No cheap.
One finger cocaine like
they lie.
How about they make
Let that commissioner
How you say no? You don't take. I tell you
now
now.
for moving like that. They cost for.
Then they on different levels.
They lie.
Cocaine day, brown one day.
Oh yeah, for professional we don't want.
Excuse me, I'm not professional. Thank God say we will be information givers. So we distribute information. We read, we know. You get what they be
Danfo
about.
area boys. The only thing that fit smoke na gutter. Buy cheap things. Take our
let me bust your block. Sorry.
People they smoke rubber. They know.
They smoke gum,
rubber.
When they say the gum tire gum.
See.
I don't say somebody
And then
carry
they
God
make
mercy.
money.
Now that's Hausa boys so.
Yes.
When they smoke those solution be, you go see them burn on top of Okada.
You go there.
Quality. And they don't know road.
and the Okada na the cheap pass. Those ones. Those ones, you know say those boys outside but they think that the Okada they very cheap.
In the
Yes, sir.
If you tell them
And the neck they like
if
this.
you tell them say you dey go Ekpe, they say Ekpe, 80 naira.
You go say
80 naira. You know why? Wetin dey keep person? You know why? Before you talk that thing, wetin dey keep person dey very cheap. Na make that Aboki Okada dey go Ekpe 80 naira, poison na 20 naira for sachet.
Yes. No, not true. You talk
My
now.
people that don't have
Maybe
this
they
nice
give
eye they read. And don't forget, say if you get all this story, you get video, maybe your dog beat your fowl or your cockroach kill your rat. You can send it to us on idered@wazobiatv.tv and also follow us on Twitter. We follow you back. Yes, it's a trekking administrative government. We are all trekking. So track us. Don't need to follow us anymore. Track us on Twitter @idered. On
we shall track you
Facebook,
back.
follow us Facebook.com/idered. This is we, and don't forget, we are for everybody, but we are for nobody.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
We belong to nobody.
we are for everybody, and that ends it.
Yes.
And we are for nobody. Yes. Only my wife takes me.